What's up everybody? I'm going to show you a quick trick in Adobe Premiere Pro called Ripple Delete. This is going to be the fastest way for you to bring together all your cuts. This is very useful for editing vlogs, for one. Like when you have a very long take and you're cutting out the bad parts, keeping the good parts. This is very, very handy and saves you a ton of time. So let's jump into Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, so you can see here in my timeline, this used to be one long clip. We were vlogging, and I went through and cut out all the bad stuff, and this is all stuff that I want to keep and smash together because it's just going to cut from one thing to the next. So I've got a lot of spaces here, and as I was cutting, I could have made a cut, then closed it up, made a cut, closed it up. I could have also done all of this at first, and then I could go one by one and close it all up. Or select big chunks and bring them together. That is just such a pain though. So the quickest way to do this, and it literally takes about 5 to 10 seconds, is Ripple Delete. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to go into your project bin and you're going to right click inside there and hit New Item and then Black Video. You're going to hit OK. You're going to drag this black video on the layer above where all your video footage is. So for me right now, video layer 2 is the layer above all my footage. So I'm going to bring it onto that layer and then I'm going to drag it all the way across over top of all this footage. It doesn't have to end at any specific point, you just got to cover all the footage. And then I'm going to select all the footage, and then I'm going to drag the footage up onto that video 2 layer. And now you can see it's kind of going, in between all that pink, all that black video. And then you're going to drag that back down to where it was. And now you have all these broken up pink strips here of black video. You're going to select all of that black video, and now you're going to right click one of them and you're going to hit Ripple Delete. And boom, all of it is together now. Every single clip has been smashed together. Alright, so there you go. That's Ripple Delete. That just saved you so much time. I love teaching about these Adobe Premiere Pro hacks, so if there's any questions that you have about Adobe Premiere Pro, let me know, reach out, comment the question below, and definitely subscribe if you're interested in this kind of content. Don't forget to check out Irvinture.com and follow us on Instagram @It'sAnIrvinture. See you in the next video. Peace.